Good morning, students. Happy New Year to you all. Today I am going to discuss one theorem related to medians in geometry. So, the question is prove that the medians of a triangle pass through the same point which divides each of the medians in the ratio 2 is to 1. Okay? Here ABC is the triangle. Okay? And so, given first in given we'll write that ABC is a triangle in which BQ and CPR. BQ is this, CP is this, are medians intersecting each other at a point G. AC is joined and produced to meet BC at R. That means BQ is the median. It means AC is bisected at Q and this AQ equals to QC. This double stroke and double stroke shows that AQ equals to QC. CP is the median. That means P is the midpoint of AB. And single stroke shows AP equals to PB. Okay. Now, so we have to prove first thing that AR is the median. We have to prove that this AR bisects BC. Okay. And second thing we have to prove that AZ by GR equals to BG by GQ equals to CG by PG equals to 2 by 1, that is 2 is to 1. That means G is the point where all the three medians will intersect each other in the ratio 2 is to 1. This we have to prove. Now, for this we do one construction. We are producing AR to S such that AZ equals to GS. And then BS and CS is joined. Now proof. In triangle ABS, P and G are the midpoints of AB and AS respectively. Therefore, PG is parallel to BS and PG equals to half BS from the midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem says that in a triangle, when two midpoints of two sides are joined, then it is parallel to third side and half of the third side. Similarly, in triangle ACS, G and Q are the midpoints of AS and AC respectively. Therefore, GQ parallel CS and GQ equals to half CS. This is also from the midpoint theorem. Now, PG parallel BS, this implies GC parallel BS. That means here you see, PG is parallel to BS. PG lies on PC. GC lies on PC. So if PG is parallel to BS and PG lies on PC and GC also lies on PC, that means we can say GC is parallel to BS. So here we have written that PG parallel BS. This implies GC parallel BS and GQ parallel CS implies BG parallel CS. Therefore, BGCS is a parallelogram. Hence, its diagonals BC and GS must bisect each other at R and therefore BR equals to RC. Because this is the property of a parallelogram that diagonals bisect each other at a point and that point is the midpoint of the diagonals. So R is the midpoint of BC. This implies AR is the median. Because median, if R is the midpoint of BC, then AR is the line which is coming from the opposite vertex of BC. Opposite vertex of BC is A and AR is joining BC and that's why R is the midpoint and so BR equals to RC and that only we have to prove. So first part is proved. Now second part. Since BGCS has proved now is a parallelogram, then diagonals of parallelogram will bisect each other at R. That means R is the midpoint of the diagonals. Therefore, GR equals to RS, and that is equals to half GS, and that is equals to half AG, because AG equals to GS by construction we have shown. Here AG was produced to R and this was produced till S in such a way that AG equals to GS. And therefore AG by GR equals to 2 by 1. Okay, because here you see GR is equals to 1 by 2 AG. So if cross multiply you do, then 2GR equals to AG. That means AG by GR equals to 2 by 1. Similarly, we can show that BG by GQ equals to 2 by 1 and CG by PG equals to 2 by 1. This implies AG by GR equals to BG by GQ equals to CG by PG equals to 2 by 1, that is equals to 2 is to 1. And that is quod erat demonstratum QD has proved. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.